Good afternoon. My name is Fred Sweney. I'm from San Antonio, Texas. I'm 67 years old, going through quite a dramatic life change, and I decided that I needed to do something after having a stroke. And I thought it would be nice to be able to participate with my wife in something that we both love so much. I spent 9 months researching for places that would give a informative, educational, and a course that would start you off in a manner that you would be able to accomplish repairing sewing machines and not just send you some papers and say, hey, this is how you do it. I found out so much more about coming here, and it is a family environment. It's an environment that teaches you not just the principles, but the hardcore mechanics of what it takes to accomplish either doing just home repair, or as I'm looking to do, is to continue an income. And I do want to thank so much. It's taken me a year to get here because of the stroke and a couple other hospital incidences, but I've had several phone calls, and all I can say is I have always gotten a response in less than 24 hours, always positive, always encouraging, and just the whole environment and experience of the initial part of getting introduced to the school and how they communicate with you. They give you a trust that I found in no other school, and I am calling it a school, an educational school in Sewing Machine Repair, because I'm quite the researcher, being a former corporate officer of 2 major companies, and I think I've come to the best school in the country, maybe the world, in sewing machine repair. It's offered in several different methods. Also, there's materials offered for education in literature, and I have a tremendous amount of these materials, and some of them not just from taking class, but from sending for them, and they're the best that I've seen out there. And I want to thank you so much for helping me on a new path and a new road. Thank you very much.